girl is going through it. Oh my gosh. It's just so much mentally. It's just so draining. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to talk about it. Don't even want to talk about it. But good morning. It's a new day. It's a new day. I woke up and I'm just like, I need to take charge. I need to take control. You ever have that feeling you wake up and you're just like, I'm just going to take control of whatever it is that's just plaguing you. And I'm just like, I'm going to take control and I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to go for it, you know? And I got up and I went for it. You know, it's the tough things sometimes in life that makes you just want to break down and just like, I can't do this. I can't do this. But I can. I can and I will. There's no turning back now. Decision has been made. It's done. Good job, baby. Good job. She pee-pee in the potty. I'm so proud of her. So proud of her. But it's done. Maybe later on I will tell y'all what the decision was and what it is that I had to do that was so hard. But I'm doing it, guys. You should be... You want to pee? You already peed. You need a bath. I'm going to go bathe Madison and then come right back to you guys. So, please, please, if you're a praying person, please, please pray for me. I need it. I need it. Good morning, though. Where are you going? Where are you going? Why do you need shoes? Can I see your hair? Beautiful. I see like red soda behind the... her dress is all stained up. I don't know. Wait, is there something behind me? Toddlers don't take care of their stuffy.
We picked today to do it. You know, everybody's doing it today.
Today is Sunday and the kids go back to school tomorrow.
Yeah, everybody does it today.
On Monday, whatever, same thing. Tuesday. So we're going back to school shopping. Rob don't want to. Can you see Rob's face? Yeah. Rob is not about this life.
You can't see it
right now. But the good thing is, I'm pretty sure everybody else has already done their back to school shopping. I'm pretty sure. So you don't have to worry about the crowd because not everybody.
Yeah, right. Well, I don't know. This is not Montgomery County. Montgomery County, the day or the week or a couple of days before, it's madness in there. It's like, really? It's just fucking paper.
Hey, stop cussing.
Oh, sorry.
So we're going back to school shopping. Rob want to be cheap. So we shall see how this whole thing works. Because you know Rob is cheap. So let's go. What are you doing?
You need one more, mommy.
One more? How much is that? 2, 4, 5. See if there's any other color that you'd like. Any other color? What's that color then? The orange?
Yeah.
Try orange. 2 for $1.
I like this one.
You like this one? How much is that?
No. 6. 2 for 6.
Right. A 6.
How much is that?
That's Destiny.
It's $1.
1, 2, $3.
$3.
Oh, that's cute. I like
People are hiding stuff back here.
Let me check the list. No, I already got it. Come on, let's go.
For a second, I thought I liked it.
Destiny,
Yeah.
you need loose leaf paper, wide rule. Right here. Just
I have
put
more.
Put it in the cart. Madison, no, okay? I have to check the list. Huh?
I'm really broke. I had my book bag with my
You're
stuff.
really broke?
Loser.
Oh. Okay, so she needs a glue stick. No. This is why I can't go shopping with a toddler.
If you don't want the tiny one, there's a jumbo.
Oh, there's a jumbo. How much is a jumbo?
A jumbo is $5.97.
That's not. What does that say? Read the tag.
Oh, no Sharpie pencils. But why are there glue sticks in here?
I don't know. Evidently someone can't read. Okay, we need liquid glue. Come on. Okay.
Just go with clear.
Just one liquid glue.
Do we need tape?
No, it didn't say tape.
Okay. What else?
I think we might want to get the drums, the jumbo stick. It can't be more. Goes on purple. We'll get that. Put these back. Are you ready? Let's go find Daddy now. Jaxson, we don't have to shop for Jaxson. His teacher's gonna do that. So, which I don't know why I have to.
I have a locker.
Okay, these are 2 for $1. Look at all the fall stuff. OMG. Yeah, they have all the fall stuff out. That pumpkin is cute. Ooh, look at these. You could paint these. So cute. OMG, look at all the farmhouse stuff. They have, this is not even a fall. I like that. And they have those down there. Oh, look at the tobacco baskets. These are cute. Walmart is like stepping up their game or something. Like, look at that. All right.
But Jason has like 2.
I think we found what we need.
Do we need one here?
We just need to find their lists.
Oh, that's the only one. Okay.
How many you have?
4.
4? That's 4?
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5.
You need one more. One more. Almost. Is that a white one?
Yeah, but it's not.
Oh, it's not the same. We can splurge. You want this one? Or which one do you want? We're gonna splurge on one of her folders. They don't have any cute folder? It says Roar. Yeah. You like it? You like it?
It's fine.
Okay. 97 cents. What's 97 cents down here? Get that pink one.
It's
Pink
flexible.
Put in the cart. When you're grocery shopping and you're in the lunch cute section. This is cute.
You know
This
when?
is cute. I don't think that's the price. I don't think that's the price.
So when you want to bake a cake and you don't
All right,
need
let's go.
the extra stuff on it, you can.
I'm so tempted to buy these, but we don't need it. Ooh, look at these. I like this. These are like the Sistema, but not really. So if you guys are looking for like the containers that I have for my kiddos, go to Aldi's because these are really cheap. And they're just like it. So it has this little container. And then it has this little part right here. You can do. That's good. This one comes with the bottle. Like that. It's cute. Don't be surprised if I end up with a few of these. I like these. They're cute. They're so big though. No. Go back to Daddy. Aren't just getting back in the house. Walmart was packed. You hear me? Packed. But it's over. Done. finito. The only person I gotta do is Jaxson. I have to pay his teacher $40 for his supply. I don't know why when I spent $23 on all of the other kids, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? So that's it. That's it. Robbie's getting ready to go grill all the chicken for our meals this week, and then I'm getting ready to do a big back to school grocery haul because you know, when the kids were out of school in the summertime, I was only spending maybe about $74 a week. Now I'm back up to $170 a week. And you know, I'm still doing my little saving thingy, where I take out $10 every time I go to the grocery store. I'm up to almost $80 in savings. What? Rob is like, you stealing from me? I'm like, I'm not stealing from you. It's just, you know, just in case you leave me. It's just in case, you know, fun. So, so that's that. And what else I had to tell you guys? And then I'm gonna have them do their back to school and show you guys. I got all the cheap Walmart stuff for them because that's me. I'm just cheap. So they're setting out all the stuff on the counter for grocery haul. And I'm gonna go do that and then come back to you guys. Hey. It's been good. What are you having? Chicken, potato. Is that milk? Milk? Yummy. Delicioso. Huh? Oh, it's raining. Okay, I'm gonna go get Daddy. Ooh. It's raining. Come on, pull it. No, pull this over it. Yeah. How did you know it was raining?
Me.
Yeah, it's raining. I don't know what she's doing. Let me sit up. The kids went back to school today.
Mommy here. Mommy here.
What's up?
Here.
Here what?
Here.
Why do you have my pencil case? Go put it down.
In my.
But anyways, my kiddos went back to school
In my.
today.
In
And
my.
just having a rough day.
Mommy,
One of those rough days, you know.
Mommy, in my.
And maybe tomorrow will be a better day. You want to say bye, Maddie?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Hey,
Bye, guys.